is Cyan.
And we're the Tokyo
Hacker
Girls!
Yay! That's not bad for the first time.
It's not bad.
Hello, everybody. Happy
Hello,
New Year.
everyone. Happy New Year. Almost Happy New Year.
Oh, so. Not yet.
Almost
Not
Happy
yet.
New Year.
Ne. Ne.
So yeah, here we are for our New Year's Eve, New Year 2025, 2026 stream. Yay!
Hey.
What's with the background?
You move a little.
Huh?
I see something pointy behind you.
Point.
Is it Paris? Is that?
Huh?
Yeah, that's Eiffel Tower でしょ?
Oh, it's the Eiffel Tower.
Ne? Are we like
there
having
we go.
another
There we go. You can see it.
pre-honeymoon before getting married? In Paris?
Something like that.
We want the vibe. Maybe this is La La Land. Maybe
maybe
this is
it's
the
not-
scene
yeah,
in the
Maybe.
drama. You seem to enjoy it. Is it your bedroom?
Maybe.
First time showing it to your audience?
どうかな?
どうかな? どうかな?
Okay, that's better. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So who am I again?
I don't know, Cyan?
Cyan?
Who's Cyan?
Who's Cyan?
Wait,
Who's Cyan?
wait, how many people know who Cyan is? How many people don't know who Cyan is?
Yeah, like raise your hand if you know Cyan, because I feel like I come to this channel pretty much just like send water and food and check water and food and check water and food like every time. Do y'all know me?
I think they should know you.
So who am I? Who am I?
No.
Are you being shy?
Everyone's being shy. What's going on? What's the chat?
going on?
Chat. I know the color only.
Oh my god! I'm so sad! I know you!
That's not mean.
You're my recruiter! Maybe I'm rude. So this.
The blue one, yes, the blue one.
The blue one, yes. That's obvious.
So why do you have that really fancy model and I have this cute chibi model? Why are we so different?
Because you're cute.
So?
So that's you, like that's the you I see.
So?
A cute little baby.
But you have a model like this too.
I did, yeah.
So why are you not using it?
Because it looks more professional if one of us is not cheap. Trying to get more authenticity to your channel, but I think you already have a lot. I could put extra energy.
I saw this.
So proper introduction.
What's the proper introduction?
Like rehearse this.
Come on, rehearse this? How do we rehearse this?
Like how did we met? Like people should know me from your channel because that stream.
So this isn't it? It's actually the pinned video on my channel. If you go to my channel, you see it.
Oh, it's still pinned?
Yes, pinned. So I hope someone saw that.
Yeah, your vulnerability funding Apple. And you had a like 3-hour lecture on it.
Yeah, it's like 3 hours.
3 hours, and I was listening.
Yeah,
I was there.
I for those that haven't heard, because we actually told a lot of these stories on Cyan's channel. But I don't know how many people, probably of my followers follow Cyan. So I think some people might have missed that. I actually like annoyed her for half a year until she did that.
Did the collab. I was refusing it because I was an engineer at Google. I know like coding and stuff. I do like Java and Python and things, but I don't do like graphics GPU. That's also a field I never touched. I want to stay into like that backend engineer, know some DevOps, use a little bit Linux kind of role. But Lina really wants me to do the collab together.
Yeah, I was like, this has to be with Cyan. Cyan is the right person to do this with. Because Cyan has the vibe.
You liked me since beginning.
When I debuted, she was like my inspiration. When I debuted, she was learning Rust.
Okay, that happened before.
She was learning Rust, and I was like, oh, this girl is so cool. I want to be a VTuber like her.
So this. Now you can teach me Rust.
Yeah. I wanted you to teach me Rust because I didn't know Rust back then.
Yeah, now you know. Now you're good at it. I think your chat taught you Rust from scratch or something.
Something like that.
So we met through that collab, and then we get to know each other, and then we start dating. Ish. Is that news to people?
I get the feeling, at least most people who follow us on Twitter probably know by now.
So this is I am the person that took Lina away. Sorry.
It's been more than 2 years now.
Oh, it's been more than 2 years.
Well, depends on when you count.
So this.
But approximately 2 years.
Stop! You did this. We've been living together for 2 years now.
Yeah, pretty much because events happened and we ended up living together like very quickly.
And you did coding stream a lot.
So now when I do a coding stream, he's the one who brings me like food and like water and tells me to hydrate.
So I'm somewhat your manager-ish.
That's it. And like all the commissions and stuff. She helps me a lot. Yeah, she's my fiance. We are actually engaged. We got engaged on stream.
Yeah,
on her channel.
Yeah, on my channel. Check it out. It's all like us
it's really good.
dating stuff.
That was really good. That was actually a year ago. A little over a year ago, right?
Yeah. We still have the rings. Like,
yeah, of course we still have the rings. Well, who gets rid of their engagement rings?
You guys are engaged? What? I'm sorry. Yeah, this was audience. Just making sure.
No, we're just making sure people know.
You're getting so many new subscribers.
Yeah, because I think YouTube changed something in their algorithm because, like, I used to get, around 100 concurrents for my coding streams, and then the one I did last weekend, I had like 290, and it was a very different curve. So I think YouTube did something. It was a lot of new people, and I assume a lot of those people haven't seen the context. So there you go.
So I was like, hey, I have 100k, but you have like 300 concurrent. I'm gonna stream it.
Disposable engagement ring sounds like something that definitely exists. Probably.
I do plan to buy you a new set if they ever get lost.
And we don't actually wear those because they're like too expensive, and we're both scared that we're gonna like totally lose them because we're both pawn.
Yeah.
So, like, we wear like a really simple silver ring. Daily. But mostly me.
Yeah, mostly because I can't keep things organized. So we're gonna talk about coding. Let's talk about the coding component in our relationship.
What's the coding component in our relationship?
I mean, we connected because we are both engineers.
That's true.
We have like this engineer mindset. I am very supportive of your work. And then no.
Yeah. But we haven't done a lot of coding together.
We have not. So
you're gonna start doing that.
I'm gonna start doing that.
Yeah. I think that's one of our 2026 resolutions. I mean, we're definitely gonna start doing it. So like, it's not gonna take very long.
Yeah. I feel like I'm going to be the bridge of like you and more novice programmers or like people who are new to the hardware level programming field.
Low level. Not necessarily hardware.
Not hardware, not yet.
I mean, there will be some hardware. We have ideas for hardware.
We do. Think about hand cams and stuff. There's a lot of things we can do together. And I want to be the one to ask questions and then try to help you organize those content. I think it's gonna be very, very cool.
Yeah, someone says he hit my feedback on the 28th out of nowhere. Yeah, I think that happened for a lot of people, and I don't know why. I just hope it keeps happening. I just hope it keeps happening.
I think it's gonna keep happening. There have been so much change on YouTube recently. Like algorithm on every platform is trying to adapt. I think it's a good thing. So, are we going to talk about why am I driving this? This is your channel.
You're better at driving things than me.
English is not even my native language.
But see, this is why I look up to you as a VTuber, because you're actually better than me at this.
What?
You are.
Like if you run away, I'm gonna drag you back to the topic.
Yes.
So yes, I'm the mom.
Pretty much, yeah.
And your model is so cute. And we're gonna both get a new model next year.
Yes.
It's already really complete, art-wise.
It's like the design is basically done.
Yeah.
Okay, our artist is like amazing. We're not gonna say who it is yet, right?
I guess I don't know what's appropriate. I wanna respect.
I mean, I think normally people announce it when they announce the models, right?
I haven't decided on that yet because recently they have been doing like this progress report. This is my model in progress.
Some
and
people
then
do that,
gather
yeah.
like attention and like engagements. So I haven't decided how we're gonna do that. But I'm already using the model image as my wallpaper because I really like the design.
So doesn't it?
And then we're gonna have like occupations as character designs.
Yeah.
That's not just hackers.
So what I was gonna say though is that like our artist is like super amazing. And
So.
she sent us what she calls a like rough sketch. But the coloring is basically complete. So I don't know, like is she gonna redraw everything even more quality on top, or what's she gonna? I don't know. It's like it's
beautiful.
It's really beautiful.
If I look at it too much, I'll cry. And she also does CDF. I think it's like very precious.
Oh, now they're gonna find out who it is. Oh no, they're not, because it's too obscure.
Because the first time I commissioned her for like she has always been so nice. We've been working together like 4 years doing illustrations. And then she's a professional in the field, and she's Japanese. Like she would do like really complicated logos. Like last time she drew AWS and Wim.
She gets the vibe of us perfectly, which is amazing.
And like terminal jokes, like terminals with like memes on it as our background, and we're like, oh, this is our artist. It has to be her.
Yeah.
So please look forward to it. We spent a lot of time trying to design the model with a lot of people. So. I also did a lot of like character design. That's not just your model. Like
yeah, because it's you're actually listed as like character design in my stream description.
Yeah, like I somehow think I own the Lina like character design.
Yeah,
because
she took over it.
I commissioned like 100 pieces of work trying to figure out like what's a good hair color, what's the color palette, what's gonna be the vibe. And then like slowly adapting it to your model, right?
Like this model already has a bunch of elements from the new design.
Yeah.
The hair, the like blue and red highlights, the hair, overall hair color, the
cat ears.
The cat ears. Yeah. So
and the gradient. The gradient was there originally.
Gradient was there, but
we just took a different.
Yeah, it changed a little. And even the clothes are not exactly what the new design is, but there's a bit of a vibe there.
Yeah, like
the
I
color.
want Lina to look like a little on the honest side and confident and fun. It's like I'm designing my fiance, my future wife. I pour a lot of heart in it, so I hope you guys like it too. I kept the glasses. Oh my god.
Yeah, she tried to get rid of my glasses originally. And then I was like, no. And people were like, no. And she was like, but I like you without glasses. And I was like, no, but the glasses are part of my identity.
Yeah, so it stays on. It stays on your top.
But now we have a different type of glasses.
Yeah. Actually, really cool. We have like really cool design idea.
I don't even know how we're gonna do that yet because there's like technical constraints. But I think there's gonna be, interesting things happening with the glasses.
The glass is still there. It's going to be invisible. So. Very cool. Yeah, we spend a lot of time on model designs.
Yeah,
talking about 3D and.
Because we also have 3D, actually probably multiple 3D models.
Yeah, we do have multiple 3D models ready. We just need to figure out the tracking.
We're looking into the tracking stuff. We're getting like. We're gonna start learning probably Warudo for the 3D.
You have the book. You have the it's freaking.
Yeah, I bought the book. I bought the like a Warudo like guidebook
in English
and Japanese.
It's in our bedroom.
Why sans irises have 0 and 1 in them? That's your design.
Oh yeah. I was supposed to play the hacker roleplay, right? Before Lina come to the scene, I was like one of the only VTuber girl that does coding, right? And then I'm like, I'm going to play this hacker person now, even though I only used Arch Linux like twice. And then Lina appeared. I was like, okay, I'm going to rethink about my life decisions. How about marrying her?
Huh?
It took 2 years to reach that conclusion, but
wait, 2 years? What?
maybe 4. Like from
you,
I'm scared of you
right,
to I will
from my
marry
debut.
you.
Yes.
Oh yeah, but is there a way to put a clock on it?
A clock? Oh yeah, we should do that. I didn't think of that. We should.
I have some clock.
Yeah, do you have some like
Yeah,
HTML
I put it in
links?
our NAS. God,
Wait,
you should.
Wait, an HTML file or what?
I think so. Let me check.
That works.
We're gonna talk about tech today, and we're gonna talk about how many home assistant or home IoT project you have done this year. Cause
Wait, I didn't do that much. Huh?
every time I look at you, you're doing something with the aircon.
No, I'm not.
No?
Maybe.
I'm gonna optimize the electricity bill by putting all the sensors on it. I'm going to. Am I going too far? Am I triggering you?
No, it's fine. No, go for it.
No, tell me about all the cool project you did.
No, I just put the air cons. Like we have like a bunch of like mini split air cons, and like because it's a separate one for every room, and so I put IR blasters in every room so that we can control them from our phones. But more importantly, so they can do things like turn off when we're not at home to make sure we don't forget.
Oh yeah, the buttons. You put the buttons on this year, right?
At the walls?
The light button, the smart light button.
I think one was there last year, and then I started adding more.
Oh.
No, 2. No, the living room ones were already there. The bedroom one might have been there, and they definitely put more over time. But also the buttons do more things. Like this, the one in the office here will turn off all the monitors.
Yeah, you spent a lot of time programming that.
And the computers. It puts the stream computer to sleep. So definitely don't press it during the stream.
Okay, go in that side. And you like customize a lot of Google comments, like yeah, like if you say good night to like your Google Assistant,
It has a few of those, but
it turns off everything in the house ish.
Yeah.
I once like want to take a nap on the bedroom, and I say, and I was like, I want to turn off the light. Hey Google, not triggering or anything, right? Good night, and then you were working on the office and everything.
Yeah. I was like, no.
We have this home app that's like that does everything. Does it really just integrate like everything, like aircon, lights?
Yeah, they have everything. You have many more things than that.
Is that open source?
Yeah.
Do people all use that?
Yeah, it's Home Assistant. It's basically what everyone uses it for IoT.
Oh.
What if it never crashes? Can you still turn the lights off? If the internet crashes, yes. If the whole server crashes at home, then the smart buttons could actually be made to work because they are Zigbee, and you can have the buttons directly control the lights. But we're not using that because it's more flexible to go through the server. So if the server crashes, the smart buttons would not work, but the regular buttons would work. So I mean, we still have the aircon remotes, we just don't use them.
Honestly, at the beginning, it's a little difficult to get along with your smart devices.
Why?
I don't know how to use them, and then there are just too many confusing buttons. So we had a fight about like the bathroom, the bathtub buttons. And
wait! The bathtub buttons? Those are not smart devices.
Like, they're not
That's just a normal Japanese bath.
It's complicated.
But that's nothing to do with me. That's part of the apartment.
Okay. But you did put like a disco light in the bathtub, right?
I mean, it works like a normal light until you do something different with it.
Yeah, you said we should put like mood lights into bathroom.
There's just the bathroom light is an RGB light, but it's set to start. It works with a regular light switch, and it's set to always turn on regular white. So it works entirely as a normal light unless you pull up the app on the phone and start messing with it.
It took me some time to get used to the idea, and then It's actually pretty good. I actually really like it.
You actually like it now?
Yeah, I do.
I
do. I was like, I want to introduce more light in the bath, like with all the waves and the colors. It's gonna look so pretty. Party in the bathroom with this RGB. We need make more friends. Currently, we only have you and me and me and you and you and me.
Someone says normal Japanese bath is not normal bath. Normal bath has no buttons. No, in Japan, a lot of the times you don't take a bath, you press a button, it fills up itself, and it stays warm.
Oh, it's really cool. You like set the temperature. You like I don't know if you can schedule it. It plays dun 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 dun, and then it like ofuro owarimasu ofuro. Yes, it says lots of things, and then
the bath speaks.
And then there's like a temperature for the bath, temperature for the shower. It confused me a lot.
But actually, she got confused by the tap, by the physical, like, red, like hot, cold tap.
Yeah, I got confused about that too.
Oh, she was like, I can't get the hot water to come out. I'm like, just turn the tap to hot. And she's like, oh.
Hey, my bathroom has custom lighting. I think that's a great pick-up line.
Yeah, I can make friends like that.
Yeah. Hey, I use Arch Linux. Would you like to be a friend? No. I use Fedora.
Also, Samsung Smart Things. Actually, the ones we use are IKEA. All the lights are IKEA, which is also Zigbee. What's the name? I forgot. What's the name of the IKEA series for the Thread-free? IKEA Thread-free is the smart IKEA stuff. Yeah, all the lights are IKEA Thread-free. We have a bunch of different kinds. And that's the only Zigbee stuff we have other than the smart buttons. But I want to keep adding Zigbee stuff because it's a little more reliable than Wi-Fi things.
And this year you discovered that the thing that makes us dizzy is the CO2 level.
Oh yeah, so we have CO2 sensors now.
Tell them about like what you bought and how to keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
Like keep it green.
Oh no, yes. So we have air quality meters in all the rooms, and which is really nice to see like the humidity and the temperature and stuff, but also especially the CO2 because if you have a closed room with no airflow and 2 people in it, it's really easy to have the CO2 gonna get out of control, and then you get really dizzy. So yeah.
100 euros, yes. I wasn't thinking that we could get 100 euros when everybody's streaming for like New Year and stuff.
よかった。
よかったね。
ね。
よかった。So a little programming. Oh, how did you connect the CO2 meter to smart devices?
Oh, that's Wi-Fi.
That's Wi-Fi.
That also, Home Assistant also supports that.
Have you ever wrote code for smart devices or just like the?
I'm actually going to.
Lego, no?
The ones we have, no. None of them are running like my own firmware. I did hack a little bit on some Home Assistant stuff that's like locally modified, but it's very little. It's actually pretty much all just like point and click. Like even the like when you have like when you press the button, I want this to happen. Like all that stuff is actually done on the web interface. But like it's basically a like web program editor kind of like anyone can use it. But I actually am going to be writing some code for a smart device pretty soon because I bought some parts to put together a home electricity meter.
What meter?
Like electricity meter.
Oh yeah, from Akihabara.
Yeah, I had some like sensors, like induction sensors, but I need to wire them to something. And so I bought an IoT platform. It's called M5 Stack. I bought sorry. I bought a little tiny one that they have now. I think it's a C3 or something like that. That is Wi-Fi and Zigbee and an RS-485 interface. And I need to put them together and write some code for it and hook it up into the whole thing and see if it works. So
you have my support.
Maybe I should do it on stream.
I think I messed with Alexa before.
Clock is still missing. That's true.
Yeah, I put it in the NAS. I don't know
where.
which is
HTML
resources.
Or?
I don't know. I haven't opened it yet.
Zip. Unzip it, please.
Unzip it. Me. You trust me to unzip a file in your driver?
It's okay. I have backups.
Ah, HTML.
Okay, good. The other's been split here.
There should be a pink one. Yeah, very cute. Very cute. It matches up with yours.
Okay, probably should do this in studio mode. I might lose some FPS.
20 more minutes to the countdown.
I'm gonna lose some FPS.
Oh, we have 2 countdowns.
See, now we're low FPS because this computer is overloaded when I do too many things.
I'm so sorry.
Come in there. It's okay, we'll go back first then. Where is this? Resources?
Resources, VT resources at the very bottom or something. It doesn't belong anywhere. It's a wild file.
This?
Yes.
Which one?
Yes. Pink.
This one?
Pink.
Too pink?
Yes. Pink. Go.
Hello?
Go. どして。Press OK. Okay.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah, 可愛いじゃない?
Kawaii.
In the transition.
Yeah, I know.
A little bigger. Bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah. As big as your name.
Oh, it doesn't change.
Yeah, just drag it.
I'll just make it bigger.
So.
Okay.
Right
there?
Hi, we have a
Hi, we have a clock. FPS is back.
countdown.
Yeah, no, this computer is using an iGPU, and the OBS chroma key, which we're using 12 now because we still have a janky setup. So, as some of you may know, I'm working on the Spout 2 stuff for Linux, so we don't have proper alpha yet. The chroma key OBS folder, for some reason, actually uses a lot of GPU resources. I don't know why. I suspect there's a bunch of low-hanging fruits in OBS that could be optimized. But I think it's all very, like, it uses a lot of memory bandwidth on the GPU, and I think it's limited by that. So, yeah, if I pull up studio mode with this kind of scene, it actually really lags, like, a lot. I don't know why. I would like to look into optimizing OBS because I'm pretty sure it's doing some very silly things sometimes. Actually, this computer is overclocked. Like, I overclocked it to reduce the problem, but it's still a little sad.
I believe you can fix it.
Well, actually, we do have seconds here, which is good. I should make this bigger, actually.
Wait, what? You're gonna...
Yeah, let's make this one bigger because
You're gonna modify their HTML?
No. This one I put seconds here.
Doko?
This one I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. How do I make it bigger? Yeah.
I have no idea what you're trying to do. Like, I have another input for your Linux background?
I'm just making sure we have a nice look we can actually see that second part.
Please don't dox me.
Oh, how am I gonna dox you?
Okay.
How am I gonna dox you? It's not even the same computer.
I'm sorry, this is a constant trauma for any VTuber.
No, this is why. Like, we actually have 4 different computers running at the same time right now. So the when you're using a different computer, there's no risk of anything weird happening. So that's nice. Like, I use like a network mouse sharing thing, so I can move my mouse through different screens and they go to different computers, but they're actually different computers. So, if I mess up on the computer that is running the chat and the controls and the little clock that I just messed around with, it's not gonna affect the stream. So yeah, safety.
Yay. But isn't that? Oh, don't you have like the NOx too thing too?
The what?
Like the detector you have for cooking.
It's the same thing. It's the same box.
Is it the same device?
I mean, inside it has a separate sensor, but
the one in our bedroom also can detect other.
It
does. What does it detect?
Everything. It detects like particles, like
PM.
Yeah, PM 2.5, all those, PM10 and all that. It detects temperature, humidity, CO2, and NO. And also TVOC, but TVOC is kind of questionable metrics, so it's not that useful. It goes up and down randomly, and I don't know why. I haven't been able to really understand what the TVOC measurement is doing, so I just gotta, whatever. But all the others are pretty useful.
But you set alert for all of them?
No.
Just for CO2.
The CO2 has alerts in this room. Actually, I think only in this room. And the NO only in the kitchen.
Nessie, hello!
Hello,
Happy New Year!
Hello! Happy New Year's Eve!
Happy New Year!
Almost there, 15 minutes left.
I don't know what time is it in North America.
Wakannai.
Everybody has.
It's like morning, right?
Yeah. Oh, so it's morning. How about we spend the rest of the time talking about things happened this year relating to tag, and the next hour we talk about things we want to do.
So what happened this year?
What happened?
In tech or in our streams or what?
In your channel?
In my channel?
Yes. What streams?
Not too much because we've been mostly busy
busy traveling, running away from disasters. But you have done something, like you've been working on the spot 2. I have a question, like the spot 2 thing you're doing, is that gonna make the like the light effect possible with like the background and stuff?
Yes, it should. Yes.
Oh, now I'm really
as long
looking
as we
forward
run
to
it on this machine and the GPU can catch up. Yes.
Nina, I remember this something before spot or not? Maybe just
window capture. The setup right now is actually real dodgy. I'm window capture with a green screen, and Cyan is HDMI capture from her machine with a green screen.
Yeah, from Windows. Hi. Sorry.
But I can run her locally, but I think it would use more resources than doing this. So until I get the spot 2 thing to get rid of the chroma keys to improve GPU performance, I'm cheating.
Hey, it works. Yo, we're streaming from Linux. Can you believe that? How many weeks you?
Oh, you just changed everything about yourself.
They know I'm typing. Oh no.
Wait, are your global hotkeys like not even controlled?
It is not. Why is the control press? I'm trying to figure out what streams I have this year, because you had some stream with me. We installed Linux together, didn't we?
Yeah, we did Gen 2, right? Actually, I still have that somewhere.
We still have that?
Yeah.
We actually did quite some stream, more than I thought.
Like this
Linux gear are VTubers. We're gonna introduce Linux to them.
I don't know if you can see this. This one. Thank you here. The Cyan 2. Is that Gen 2?
You still have it. So cute.
It's still here. Wait, would it boot to retry?
No thanks.
Why not?
Is it computer okay? Is it not good?
No, this is yet another computer. So
oh god.
what could
Yeah,
possibly
you're
go
right.
wrong? Oh, but I definitely don't have enough RAM. I was gonna kill the other machine, so I'm gonna set this.
Yeah, let's not kill a stream before New Year. Don't you think?
It's not the stream. It's a different machine.
But I always have to drag Lina back from like danger. I'm always on this like watcher mode.
Oh, it wants a PCI device. Oh, right, because I use the GPU for this.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the second gen.
It's okay, just close it. I'm gonna take your mouse and just close that. I'm not gonna think about it.
Why are you so
scared? We're gonna think about other things. Like how much work you did to set up the audio system. Right?
Yeah. And I'm still fighting the real-time audio. It's still glitching in this stream a little bit.
Hey.
Maybe I just give up and increase the buffer size, but I don't want to. I need to learn how to debug like latency spikes on Linux, because actually this audio is only using I can check. It's only using about 30% of the actual load on the CPUs, but I get latency spikes that make it like have dropouts, and I don't know why. I've messed with a bunch of things to improve it, and I have improved it, but there's still some, something causing it, and I would like to not know what. So that's gonna be another investigation.
So back to the audio system. You set it up in a way like it's stereo, right? I'm on the right and you're on the left.
Oh yeah, the panning, right? But
Yeah.
we can change that though. You know, you can just. Yeah, but and this is a bunch of other things, right? There's like it's actually set up with multiple computers. There's this hardware audio routing going on. So we can like play things on my work computer or Cyan's work computer and route the audio into the streams or into the headphones or into the speakers. And there's also HDMI routing for the video, so we can send the screens to different physical monitors or to the stream. So like actually right now Cyan is on a Windows machine and her secondary monitor is routed to a capture card that is going into OBS Studio on the stream machine, and that's how our avatar is being captured. So we have a pretty crazy flexible like thing going on.
I just cannot forget the graph you showed me on like how everything's connected and you optimize my guitar sound and new pianos like it's almost like a MIDI that like you can replay and stuff.
You mean this thing?
Yeah, this just blows my brain because it looks like a n to the power of n complexity modeling of all the audio source, and I have no idea how you do that.
Should I show them?
Can you? Is that gonna dox you? Is it not gonna dox you? Is it safe? Is it?
I think I can do it real quick.
No. How about you take a close look at it, and then post it on social media later after close examination.
Yeah, fine.
Oh.
Fine. I'm pretty sure there's nothing here.
Are you sure? Does it say my real name?
No, it just says Cyan.
It doesn't say.
I'm pretty sure this is fine.
Do you remember my real name? Because I don't. I don't use it anymore.
Yeah, we don't call each other by real names.
We
in real
don't.
life. But we also don't say like I don't say Cyan.
I say Lina.
You say Lina, but I don't say Cyan.
Lina Cyan. Lina sama. Doko.
Okay, where's this? I know, obviously.
But you could always call me Hey.
No, I use a name, but they're different names.
Sometimes Cyan Nyan.
Okay. And we're just gonna show you the audio system 9 minutes before midnight, showing audio system because
God.
that's how we roll here.
God, I'm scared.
That's fine.
Oh, she know Hey.
Yeah.
Oh God,
I think
on
you get the
string
idea.
like that.
Pretty much.
It's only part of it. Like I don't know.
It's
This
a
looks.
lot.
You know what this looks like? This looks like lab view.
Yeah, it's kind of the same thing.
I had been programming it once, and I was like, "How did human invent such a disaster?" And look at my channel.
I need to simplify because there's actually a few things there that are legacy junk that I can't easily remove due to legacy reasons.
Oh, God.
And I have like a PR pending, and when the maintainer of Carta merges it, I can finally simplify this. But I'm waiting.
Oh, yo, look at my channel. We actually did a lot of streams together. I think 70% of the stream we're doing together, my channel is slowly turning into our Yuli channel.
Yeah.
Except the times when I speak Chinese. And
Fun,
then,
isn't it?
yeah, I don't know what this important announcement was about, actually.
What
Is
was that?
I don't remember. Anyone remember that
I
important
don't
announcement?
remember that.
I don't
What's
remember.
the date? 5 months ago.
What do I do?
Eh? I don't remember.
I don't remember. We did a very suspicious stream. Hey, but did we do like a Tokyo's tech series? Tokyo
Yeah, we
Girls
started.
Had Tech
Yeah,
series.
yeah.
We made PowerPoints for like cables, and you showed me all kinds of cable. It was so fun. I think your audience is gonna really like it because you show so many like remote, no, like a long time ago ancient artifacts. It's really engaging, so I think y'all is going to really enjoy it. In a Goose Game, we made a song.
We made a song.
We did a lot of music streams because I've been practicing singing, and Lina wants to play piano and stuff. We did a tech series on PC parts. It was also like lots of memes, lots of things people have never seen before, but chat can always have one person that gets it right.
Yeah.
It was really fun. They have like quite quite a lot of views, so I think it's very good content. We played the Wukong game, and then decided that we're not gonna clear it because we're not good at games. On the PC builder game, I was playing, and you actually built a PC from the...
Yeah, because I was like bored and distracted, and I'm like, oh, she's building a PC virtually. Let me just pull up some parts from my closet and make a PC.
Yeah, and then we show the photos of the PC she just built, so... It's always near the end, you have all these like cool inventions. And I had some drawing stream. What was I drawing? I don't remember. I want to draw more. I totally don't remember what was I drawing. I was drawing something. We had the tech meme review.
Yeah,
that was really fun.
That was good.
Lots of people like it. It's like more for it's for every level of programmers, and even non-technical people can enjoy it. So I really like memes. It's a great way to spread knowledge and be fun. We did the Hajime stream. It was really funny.
We need to do more music streams. Those are always fun.
But it's like we can't just do music stream all the time because like we are musicians, I guess, but like our specialty is still in tech. So we do it like for fun, for family enjoyment.
And we did do some like covers and things though. You released at least one cover.
I did. I released a cover. You added it, yes. I like it.
But we're gonna do more covers. We have one cover, one duet cover with both of us. Cooking. It's cooking. It's been cooking because we've been sick. Otherwise, we would have released it already.
Yeah. Like the first day I saw the song, I was like, "This is gonna blow up," and it didn't.
And then it did.
And it did 2 months ago. 2 months later.
Yeah.
I have eyes for like viral stuff, and I think I just genuinely like the song, and I was drawing art for it, and I want to like animate it and everything. Still wanted to be done. My part of vocal is almost done. Just waiting for your recording.
Yeah. My recording, and then we probably need to redo some parts, right? And then like a couple
I know,
parts are a little weird.
I know. Yeah, I think I can present better. And then I hit 100K. I don't know what.
She 100K.
I don't know what led to that momentum because I wasn't really promoting my channel. Because we celebrated twice. This is the time I celebrated the arrival of the 100K scene on my birthday.
Which is like way after it, actually.
Yeah, it's way after it. We waited for the place.
She was like, I'll celebrate this later.
Yeah. And then we've just been planning weddings, and singing.
We have some really cool stuff planned for the wedding. Because we're gonna have a wedding on stream, Ariel.
We already have animation done.
We have an animation.
Like we're not talking about like live 2D animation. We're talking about like frame by frame hand drawn.
Like anime.
For like the wedding. So really excited about it. It's gonna be.
Okay.
Really cool.
There was a stream where you were telling people to unsubscribe so we didn't hit 100K too quickly. Remember?
Oh yeah. I hit it and I think I might hit it again because my sub isn't really growing, and I might get 99K soon. But I'm not really worried about it. I sit well with it. I'm like, I got a silver plate. I got everything I wanted in my YouTuber career. Now I'm just gonna be your cute little wife.
No. We're gonna kill it from now. We have we're gonna start talking about all the plans. We shouldn't be talking about the plans yet because we're not doing that yet.
Not yet.
So what else happened this year?
I got sick.
You went to the hospital.
I got very sick.
Yeah.
not dying sick, but very.
2 minutes. It's 2 minutes.
Yeah.
According to my clocks.
And as you can see, I'm not that sick anymore. We just keep getting like fever after fever, like this kind of.
Yeah, I think we both got the flu, and then you had some other stuff, and then like even today, even this morning, I was like, why am I nauseous? Like why? Is like it's like nature's playing tricks on me. It's like today is an important day. I'm gonna make you sick, but now I'm okay, so that's good.
Yeah. So and then my skill the servers. 传统的服务其实是在服务，去变成一条线，好治好。That killed 6 global clouds.
Yes.
The cloud fear was dead.
Cyan is dangerous. She's like a threat to the global economic stability by killing clouds.
Yeah, I like this year I actually released a few songs that I kind of like just compose myself. One is still like a streamer I like. The other is like a not comedy parody. And then every time a cloud server broke, people just send my video over and be like, oh god,
It's almost time. It's almost time.
What do we do?
We count down the last 20 seconds.
20? I don't know how to count anymore.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Right? Ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, it's like mental math. Okay, ready, let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Yay!
Happy 2026!
I told you I don't know how to count. Wait, it's already 26. We don't have 2025 anymore.
No, it's 2026 now.
You got that! Now we wait for the Beijing's.
The what?
Beijing's 2026. Beijing still have 1 hour left.
そうですね。
そうですね。
そうですね。Beijing is next.
There might be people in the street waiting for that
Wait,
moment.
so this is so like Austria already did it. Now was Korea and Japan.
So.
And next is Beijing.
Yeah. It's not 10 p.m. Sorry, we can't stay that late. But Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
明けましておめでとうございます。
おめでとうございます、皆さん。じゃあ次の話は全部日本語ですね。
日本語でできるの？
全然大丈夫です。
本当できるの？
僕の日本語は最高です。
サイヤちゃん、僕か？
好きじゃないの？私はトップのこと。
僕か。確かに。サイヤちゃん僕っ子っぽいですね。
ですよね。
ですよね。
When can you speak Chinese?
你好。
Name 5 Chinese you know.
你好。
Okay.
我爱你。
Oh, cute.
大臣。
Hey, you know this one? I never told you this one. Who told you this one? Who told you this one? My enemy?
The green thing?
The green thing?
Duolingo.
Oh, I was like, okay. You took Duolingo Chinese?
A little bit.
Oh yeah, I forced you to. Two more.
1、2、3。
Yeah. すごい。One more.
Another 6.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
Your son used to like Eugenia's son.
Yes, it's okay.
It's a set.
No.
It's a set.
Ha.
Just one more.
Hentai.
I'm going to educate this girl after the stream. About 2026. But just right now. That's not Japanese. She said "变態", not "hentai", which has the same meaning. But she knows very well because I told her.
Hi.
2026.
2026 plans.
Plans.
Well, I'm gonna finish the Spatu thing because that's almost done anyway. And I'm gonna be working on a new secret project.
What secret project?
Huh? Secret project.
Why am I out of the situation?
It's a secret project.
What? We have a secret project? When...
I have a secret.
Oh, you have a... I don't know.
I wonder.
Okay. I'm going to scrutinize the security of it after the stream. I want you to finish project. I actually want to stream from my next. I set up the new Mac, the M3 Mac. And then I want to have my own stream room because I want to make a habit of streaming.
Yeah, she set up like a little corner so she can stream away from me. So she can run away. Like I have this whole setup with all the audio, everything, all the amazing, like flexibility. And she's like, oh, actually, sometimes I just want to stream by myself. She must have a little corner she can stream from.
That's just a perfect corner because it's covered by like a curtain.
So isn't it?
And it's like right under the like aircon, so it's like very
it's
habitual
very,
for like an introvert.
Yeah,
that's
so isn't it?
Such a perfect and private space for me to be vulnerable. In my
basically, when she's pissed off at me, she can run off there.
That's healthy couple dynamics. I have my own business too.
That it can be, yes. Watching the streamer, yes.
I'm occasionally bullshit, occasionally.
Cyan can have many sides. She is occasionally botchy, occasionally like Anya.
Anya?
Yeah.
Anya?
Like, yeah.
Anya?
Sometimes.
Occasionally a programmer.
Occasionally, oh no, definitely occasionally Kobayashi-san.
Oh, so
yes. Occasionally she's like the maid from Steins Gate. What's her name?
Really? No,
yeah, a little bit.
That's not the character.
You can be a little like that sometimes.
No, I'm like more like a Yasashi mage, like Georgie from like
Sokana. Sokana.
Cyan is not Zonella. Lina is very, very, very Zonella.
Cyan is definitely Zonella.
Not very. I'm not inherently Zonella. You are.
Sometimes she is.
Anyways. Tech.
Yes. So, my secret project, which you are going to at least be a little part of.
I am gonna be.
Yeah.
Is that gonna be Neko Deck?
No, that's the not secret project. I was gonna mention that one after.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So we have Neko Deck, which is a streaming control panel system, something makeup project that we want to work on together. We actually did the. Sorry. We actually did the first stream on my channel already, where we were mostly talking about what we were gonna do and researching the technologies we were gonna use to do it. So that's gonna be another one. But also we are going to start making content as Tokyo Hacker Girl.
Oh, that's a secret project?
No, it's not a secret project.
Oh, Mata?
No.
Huh?
Yes, the Linux 101. Where are you blocked now? What's going on?
Wait, Linux 101 is not a secret project. We're
no, it's not.
Announce it like now?
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna talk about it like soon.
Yeah,
like, yeah.
That's not the secret project.
I still don't know what the secret project is.
Yes, you do.
Huh?
I cannot believe she's blanking out on this.
The thing you've been working on the past 3 days?
No.
Eh? Show me your terminals?
No. I was just fixing the audio.
As your manager, I'm very confused.
You know what? I cannot believe.
We can have a miscommunication here, and I'm ready to resolve it.
I even talked about it in like the private Discord.
Oh, but what does it have to do with that? Make a... Eh? Yeah?
Are you serious?
Hi, わかりました。
I cannot believe you forgot. What is wrong with you?
I thought that was cancelled.
What do you mean cancelled?
I don't know.
How would that be cancelled? How could that possibly be cancelled?
Sorry, we have too many cancelled projects that just like not talk about and then cancel. But you know, we're still doing that.
How could that possibly be cancelled? Why would that be cancelled? I am so confused.
Should I lawyer up?
Why?
I don't know. I'm scared of the future.
I've been talking to people about this.
Yes, I know.
Like
I know.
It's been cooking for so long.
I know. I didn't know it's still in your mind. You haven't talked about it for like months.
Because you've been sick. What do you mean? Why would you think I'm not doing that? I've been wanting to do that this whole time.
Okay, I support your passion. ごめんなさい. ごめんなさい. We're online right now. Guys, we are a team.
Yeah, I think so. We should be a team.
We go wherever. We wanna go. 大丈夫? Are you gonna like hint at what it might be?
No. Okay, fine. I'm gonna say something at least.
Okay, not very obvious, but
It's a reverse engineering project.
I was gonna say that. Yes, there's something you want to reverse engineer.
Yes.
I'm a little scared.
Why would you be scared?
I don't know. I'm not.
Okay, look, I already reverse engineered Apple, and they didn't care.
See, as a manager, I've been managing like law stuff and learning very, very cool things.
Hey, Tub, it's gonna be fine.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna. Other projects? Do you think you'll finish that in 1 year?
Oh yeah, of course.
Ooh, so like
I mean, depends on what you call finish. It's one of those things where there's always gonna be like
patches,
little tiny loose ends and things that
progressed.
yeah, like little like
structure.
bugs or slight missing features and stuff. And so
this
like
and that.
it's really hard. It's really hard to prove that a reverse engineering project is ever complete. But yeah, no, make it work in 1 year. Yeah, of course, definitely. Listen to that.
Looking forward to it.
If I put on like if I do 2 streams weekly, I am going to optimistically guess that within 2 months I have something useful. So yeah.
わかったね. Would I be able to contribute to it in any way? Do you need
At the very least, I wanted to be part of the first few streams because I want to actually talk like this. Okay, I'm gonna say this is a much easier reverse engineering project than the Apple stuff.
そうね.
And also much more. How do I put this? The knowledge you need to have to start understanding what's going on is much less wide and deep than Apple stuff. Even though it's still a pretty nice challenge, you know. So I think I want to take the opportunity to actually, especially at the beginning, make it more of a collab that we can use to teach people how to do this. And you know, once I get into the little tiny details, I don't think we need that because at that point it's more of a work stream than an educational stream. But I think at the beginning when you get started, it's a really good chance to make it educational. So I want to do it with you.
Okay.
So this, hi,
I'm ready. That's a plan for any language you want to learn? Any like trendy tools you want to mention that you got interesting?
I mean, for Nicodec, we're gonna be using Vue.js.
そうですね.
And like some Redis stuff. So that's gonna be interesting. I've never done that. This also just as silly as it is. I'm totally gonna look into the. I don't know if I'm gonna do this on stream, but I'm totally gonna look into the profile index to figure out where the latency spikes go. So that's gonna be interesting. And the OBS performance issues. What else? There was something. I think I forgot. There was something interesting that I wanted to do. Oh, of course. I already started that, but last stream was my first time actually writing Vulkan code.
Also, this
as silly as that sounds from someone who ostensibly helped write a Vulkan GPU driver. That was my first time actually using Vulkan.
Yeah.
So that was interesting. What happened to the viewers? Like everyone went away after midnight or what?
Yeah, looks like that. Or maybe our secret project was too secret.
Maybe, yeah. Anyway, there's that. Oh, I definitely want to do more collabs with other people. Because we haven't been doing much of that.
Okay.
And we have friends that we need to collab with. Some of them are even in the chat right now.
So isn't it?
Oh, also the IoT thing I definitely want to do on stream.
Oh, this.
So, yeah, that's definitely stream material.
You wanna do like the IoT chatbot thing you bought from Akiba on stream?
The what?
The IoT chatbot?
Oh, we can do that if you want. But I want to do the electricity meter thing first. Like on my own, because it's kind of the same platform, but that way I get used to what's going on, and then we can do the chatbot. Yeah. どこ? Huh?
どこですね. I wonder.
You have been chosen.
Chosen. 新年快乐.
What else? We definitely want to do the hand cam for the. Should we say what it is? Yeah, we can say it, right? Yeah, we bought a little electronics kit in Akihabara. Cyan picked it. She was like, I like this one. I like this one.
Yeah.
So we want to build it on stream, hand cam.
So. Yeah. I bought beautiful gloves from Europe, so I think it's gonna be cool.
I need to set up. I'm gonna use like a proper like camera and stuff. Oh, thank you so much for the super chat. You're so cute. Thank you.
Thank you for the super chat. Oh my, this is the super chat of the new year.
Yeah, it's the first super chat of the year. First super chat of 2026.
Yeah.
Oh, and definitely a lot more music. Right?
I wanna do original song.
Yes, you wanna make original songs.
I
think we can do that.
I wanna be Cyan P. I don't know if that's taken. And then we can be Lina P.
Yes.
Let's talk about Akihabara, because like I always have the impression of Akihabara from on Steingate, and I never really know.
Yeah, right. Like me too. I saw Akihabara in Steingate before seeing it for real, and then it was like, oh, that's what it was the same.
Yeah. And like I always thought it's just gonna be like 100 maid cafe.
No,
and everybody cosplaying on the street.
I mean, that's a part of it, but
apparently, when you cosplay in Japan, you cannot just wear the things and go. You have to ask for permission from the district before you go.
I think it depends on where, but generally, yeah, you always change into cosplay at events. You don't wear it from home.
Yeah, you don't wear it on the train and stuff. And I was like, okay, maybe not cosplaying in Japan. And
I mean, you just change it in the changing room, you know?
Yeah. So, like, I always thought Akihabara is like the hub for anime, right? But it was an electricity town originally.
Originally, it was more. That's why it's called like Akihabara Electric Town.
Oh.
So I brought her to one of the oldest. It actually shows up in Steins Gate. Najikan, do you remember? There are scenes where they have the little like dishes with the electronic parts. That's where I took you that day. With where you bought the piano. That's the place. That still exists.
Does the owner know they're in anime? Does the owner know they're in anime?
I don't know if the specific shops inside are just inspired by it or they're real shops, but I'm sure the owner of the building knows they're in there.
And it took me there multiple times. Like, it's an electricity town, but it's actually not very big. There are like some bigger shops that sells like chips and then like just like lights and LEDs and stuff.
I mean, it used to be more of that, and then more and more got taken over by anime.
Oh.
Like, for example, there was a really good tool shop there that I used to really like, because they had some really good, like, pliers and things. But the thing with those kinds of tools, is that, like, you can get really cheap ones. But when you get, like, an expensive quality one, it's like, you can feel that it's really smooth, and it's gonna last forever, that kind of thing. There was one particular shop that I really liked for that stuff. It closed.
Oh, I'm sorry. But they have, like, the ones that exist. I think the first floor they have like lots of Apple products and like secondhand stuff.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. The
old computers.
The thing is, it became a very the very touristy stuff is always up front. So there's a lot of like anime and figurines and stuff up front, and then like also like secondhand iPhones and computers and that kind of stuff, right? Is in the front rows. But then if you go into the deeper sites, there's more interesting
second
places.
floor.
Yes. I still haven't taken you to some other places because there's some cool, like, there's even music, like some instrument shops.
Yeah, I think the ones we went to has like so many different like plugs or like audio interface and stuff.
Yeah. The that's actually the top floor. I'm just gonna say where it is because it's actually my favorite electronics shop in Akihabara.
Yeah.
If you go to Rajukaikan, not Rajukaikan, sorry, I'm dumb. It's not Rajukan. Where am I? I was thinking something else. I'm confusing two things. It's I think it's called Radio Department Store. I think it's Radio Department Store. It's the Radio Departo. If you go to like Tokyo Radio Departo, and that's like the one that was in Steinkit, sorry. Rajukan too, but Radio Departo is the one with all the parts. So if you go to the top floor of that, there's a shop that I think it's called Tomoka. It's actually one branch. There's a professional branch of Tomoka in Rajikan that has lots of professional audio stuff. It's a very bright professional shop, like microphones and things. But then there's another. I think it's still called Tomoka, the top floor of Rajikan, and that's my favorite little like part shop because they have like things like audio cables, just like jacked RCA and like just standard audio cables and stuff like the regular consumer stuff, but it's actually good quality. Like not stupid, fancy gold-plated like monster cable. I mean a normal black cable, like totally normal cable that is actually good. Right? Because normally what happens is you either buy the really fancy, overpriced, expensive cables that may or may not actually be good, or you buy the really, really cheap cables that are terrible, right? Like unshielded or the plastic is really bad quality and stuff. This shop actually has basic cables that are good quality. And also they have adapters, like from every possible combination of like audio connectors. They have, the 3.5 inch to quarter inch adapters used for like headphones. Like, you know what I'm talking about. I have a bunch of I think you know it. You've seen them. Like that one. You're not using one there. The headphones, like big to small jack adapters, right? I always use those, like in the past. There's this style that is like black plastic, and like, silver colored metal, and those are always terrible quality. So the ones in the shop are really compact, all metal, all gold-plated, and they are amazing. I've never had one break. I've never had one go wrong. They are like, I've probably bought like 20 over time because I just lose them. I have them all over the place. But like, I really, really love those. And stuff like that, right? That you find here. It's just like little things that cost $2, but are really good quality. That you get for 50 cents elsewhere that are really cheap and horrible, right? Like, it's things like that, right? It's like, like $2 is the right amount of money to spend on that thing, right? It's like, if it's cheaper than that, it's terrible. If it's more expensive than that, it's overpriced. But this shop has all the really, like, everything.
Is it like eating like fresh sushi from like a Japanese like
Something
ocean,
like that.
and it's like super duper cheap, but if it's like really high quality flavors?
It's something like
Like
that. Yeah. They also have AC adapters. That's another thing I really like. Like AC adapters is the same story. Like you can buy really crazy professional stuff, or you can get the ones you get for free with random devices off of like Temu or AliExpress or Amazon even. All the like bottom of the barrel made in China stuff, and those come with like the free AC adapter, right? And you get the AC adapter and you hold it and it's like so light, and like you feel like there is no way this is quality, like there's no way, and then they break or they even like short or become unsafe sometimes, like
it's like so customer oriented.
Well, look, see, they just drive the price down as low as they can. And then it's like actually dangerous. I'm scared of AC adapters because they actually can short out in ways that are dangerous or destroy your stuff. This shop has, I mean, they're all made in China, right? They're all made in China anyway, but they have the quality AC adapters. You know what's a similar place?
Where?
Shenzhen.
そうですね.
I've been to Shenzhen, China, right? And when you go, like, because everyone thinks, well, Chinese stuff is cheap and terrible quality, right? No.
That's a stereotype.
It's a stereotype, but it's true for the kind of Chinese stuff that gets exported at very low prices on certain websites, right? If you actually go to China and you actually go to like the booths of all these electronics manufacturers, they actually know what they're selling and they actually will sell you high quality stuff. It's like that. That's what you get in that shop in Akihabara. Oh my god, how many memberships did we just get?
That's a lot of memberships.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you so much. 10 memberships. Oh my gosh. And hail everyone because we just got a lot of. Maria's the number 2 super chat. Thank you so much. And then
your index 1.
Yes. Index 1. Yes. And Salonix says Happy New Year. Thank you. 17 months. Thank you. Oh, Nether, welcome to Team Lina. Welcome.
How much is your membership? I can't remember.
It's like $5.
$5.
Yeah,
Look, you need to start giving out membership presents. Yeah. My members just got like one present a week ago, one present today.
I need to start doing that.
Have one...
commission things for this.
I'm gonna start managing your channel.
Please. I got them. And Mary, thank you so much. Happy New Year. And Marcin, thank you. 19 bucks. Thank you so much. That's a lot of memberships. So yeah, that shop is like that. They have like actually quality stuff. And I have a pile of AC adapters for that because I have like they have little tiny 12-volt and 5-volt ones. So every time I need like a 12-volt adapter, I just use one of those. And they've never gone bad on me ever.
Can we collab with that shop?
Maybe what?
Collab with that shop?
Maybe
talk to them.
There's also
don't they know you?
It might recognize me. Who knows?
And they won't take cash, do they? Do they take?
No, they actually take card now.
They did.
I just found out. They used not to, but they actually take cards now.
よかったな. Yeah. It shocked me that a lot of places in Japan actually don't take cards yet.
Lately
it's growing more.
You know Saizeriya?
Yeah.
They used not to take cards.
Oh my.
Because it's so cheap and they don't want to pay the fee. But now it's like cards are so popular, they just kind of have to.
Yeah. So if you come to Japan, they definitely have like cash on you.
Yeah. But it's very rare. You will need cash for some small shops. Like, where was the last time? Oh, if you're in the doctor, some of them only take cash.
Oh, so close. Doctors?
Yeah.
Oh, that's surprising.
And then if you...
Yeah, like my, the scope I did, they only took cash. It was 1만 yen.
Yeah, yes.
And it's only cash. That was surprising.
Yeah.
Welcome new members.
Welcome to Team Lina. Thank you, Madikuchi-san. Thank you, Ashu. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Please give my girlfriend more money.
Oh my god. Oh, if you want to sponsor us, if you want to help, like besides the YouTube sponsorship and all that, because Google takes a cut on that. If you want to help us more directly, you can go to, I'm gonna type it out in the chat.
We have a donation page?
We have 2 donations.
We do?
We do.
Huh? So I don't have to beg for sponsorship?
I mean, you still do, but we have 2 different donation pages.
Oh god. I have to talk about all this quote-unquote sponsorship I got last year.
Oh, you mean like the offers? Or?
Yeah, like I got so much DM saying, hey, you're a great channel. 100k, so cool. Work with our brand, it's gonna be amazing. And then we look at their like email, the email sender address, and it's super sus. It's like, you know, like some people do like a RN Microsoft, and it looks really like actual Microsoft.
Some of them is really sus.
I think every offer I have gotten so far has high chance of being like a scam, so I have never taken pretty much any of them. So if there's any content creator out there, please look out. We know how to like look at like email headers and then have them double check, look at their like company names and stuff to check their authenticity. But if we didn't know that, we're gonna fall for it. So very careful. Very careful. Oh, arigato, Mario. Thank you. Thank you for 50 Hong Kong. Thank you so much. I can use this to buy more pudding. The milk pudding from Kombini. And Type-C cables. Thank you. We got more super chat.
Thank you, Mario. Thank you so much. Oh, what is it? Oh my gosh, thank you. What? Everyone's saying super chat. What? This is a competition.
Please donate my
Thank you, everyone.
Please let her be very rich.
Thank you, everyone.
Oh god, I love it.
Oh no, there's more.
I think my computer killed.
Computer.
Shit.
Hold on.
Can you go to like a loading screen? I think. Looping stream.
No, we can't. I'm okay. I turned you off.
You turned me off.
Yes, I turned you off.
どうしよう? This is the.
Turn.
Why do you set my computer to sleep for every 30 minutes?
See, this is what I think I'm gonna do with Neko Deck. Is I want to
You sure they can't see my name?
Right now it's good.
My password?
You're good.
What? It's good?
Wait. It might just come back.
Come back. Science 2026 solid. What? Solid what?
Okay, go.
Go where?
VTube Studio.
I don't use that.
Okay, it's went to the wrong screen.
Just
Alt enter.
Alt enter.
Then move it to the right screen.
Move.
Alt enter.
Alt enter.
There you go. And turn that off. Yes. It's good, right?
We broke the immersion.
No, we're good.
No.
See, we're fine.
My boob got smaller.
Huh?
Just kidding.
It's okay. We're doing good. See, one of the things I want to do with Nico is stop her computer from. Okay, you know why your computer goes to sleep, right?
Because you want to save energy.
No, because she keeps leaving apps like VTube Studio that stop her computer from sleeping. So I had to put in an override so her computer would sleep, because otherwise it would just run VTube Studio the whole night and use like 200 watts of power. And so because she does that, I had to make an override so it goes to sleep even with VTube Studio. Then the problem is when she's using her computer to show the avatar on my computer and she doesn't move the mouse enough, it goes to sleep.
I think I have like 8,000 hours on VTube Studio.
And she keeps forgetting it.
Yeah. Just leave it out.
I leave it on, but I actually sleep the computer. It's fine. What would be what is a Cyan and Lina stream without some jank and stuff?
I think it's just a natural thing for every VTuber.
Money.
Yeah.
So isn't it? Yes, 2026 wedding. Definitely.
How do I tell them it's real? I think like
it's
difficult to persuade people that we are actually living human, getting married, getting a certificate.
Yeah.
And we choose to celebrate as VTubers.
Because
online.
that's who we are. Like, we're just that nerdy. Like, we are having a real wedding. It's not like a fictional wedding. It's not a, character wedding. It's not a K5 whatever you say wedding. It's a real wedding. We're having a real wedding on stream.
Yes, we're having a real wedding on stream. And I'm sorry, chat. I'm gonna take your favorite streamer very mercilessly. I hope it's okay. So we should. I told Lina we should do like while we are like getting married in 3D, we should have like a DevOps incident and we have to debug it real time and continue and stuff, because I heard that kind of things happens with programmers. Sorry, my server is down and it affects like 1,000 customer. Can I please like pause this wedding for a second and see the valves later? Because I have to save my job. Oh yeah, the name Hoshino, and sorry guys, it's actually coming from me.
Yeah!
We decided like 2 years ago, maybe? 1 year ago, 2 years ago. We have.
How are you gonna explain? Like, you have many names. Somehow.
Everybody have many names. That's how they don't get doxxed.
I guess.
Right? And because I have a star on my face and really like stars, so Hoshino.
So that was like the she has like we basically we call each other.
Don't dox me.
No,
Thank you.
we call each other.
By the way, you can't dox me with that name.
We call each other not by our legal names anyway. So that was a name. She asked me to give her a name, and I gave her a name.
And we were
it was Hoshino something.
Japan.
It was Hoshino something.
It has nothing to do with Oshinoko.
No. It's a different kanji. Oh my gosh! Thank you so much.
Oh, that's a lot of money. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What's a pink super chat? That's so cute.
Isn't that the biggest one?
I don't know. I haven't got super chat for so long. I can't recognize.
What is NT?
And it's very lucky. It's 08.
I don't know what NT.
It's a beautiful number. I don't care.
Is that the top? Is that time? Ah. Isn't that it?
But I love the number.
Oh, you love the number. Yeah.
It's a beautiful number.
It's a really nice number. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
You should keep telling Lina to use 888 and 666. But 666 is kind of like evil. So 888.
Yeah. I didn't know that. That's like a very like Chinese thing, right? Like 888. I saw a license plate on a car that was 888.
Yeah.
I was like, oh,
I'm gonna pay $1,000 to get that. Like that. Because like A is hachi. In Chinese, A is ba, and it sounds like fa. Not fuck, but rich. So, I'm not I'm not kidding. It's real. And then you repeat it 3 times, just make it more real. Ne? Something like that, ne?
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
So we wanna do Linux 101, and we decided today, not decided today, but we were talking about how we're gonna execute it, and I think Lina has something to say about how it's gonna.
Should we explain?
Yeah.
So I think the plan is okay. Here's the thing. So we want to teach people. I don't want to say computer science, but like computers. We want to teach people computers, right? And the problem with teaching computers, how modern computers work, is that it's too complicated. Like it's kind of a like computers have gone so complicated that it's really hard to teach how they work. If you start trying to teach someone who doesn't know Linux, not how to use Linux, but how Linux works, by explaining a modern Linux setup, they're gonna get lost so quickly. And like it's too slow, right? It's like, if you try to explain everything step by step, it's like you don't make any progress. It's not fun. So my plan is that we're gonna teach how Linux worked like 20 years ago. Because like a lot of the concepts are representative of how things work today. It's just different, right?
Simpler.
But it's much simpler. And so my idea was actually to just have a Linux install from like 20 years ago and explain how everything works step by step. And as we do that, we will give hints like, actually these days it works this other way, and you can Google this term and learn about that, right? But that way, you know, that way. Oh, someone says where GPT was good partition table. Oh, GPT didn't exist back then. that's part of the making it simpler. But hey, thank you so much, Mario.
Thank you. Oh, 4-8. Very good. Very good.
Yes.
Double.
So yeah, I think I'm gonna start with a very old Linux install, but then go really deep into how everything works, and then tell people like, if you want to learn how this works these days, this is the keyword you have to Google. And I think that's gonna be first of all, it'll be interesting even for people who know modern Linux because they get to see how it used to work, and it'll be useful for people who want to learn how all of this works in the first place because it's much easier to understand. So that's kind of my plan.
So we're gonna install like a lot of different old OS.
Oh, well, sort of just one. I think I'm just gonna try a couple and pick something representative.
Oh, nice.
And probably run it in a way that we can actually like debug it a little bit, so we can see, you know, like everything step by step. Oh no, it'll be virtual because it's I want to be able to debug it and use it. You know, so it's gonna be like an emulated machine or something. But we'll explain everything.
Yeah. And Michael, how to describe my Linux skill? It's kind of interesting because like I did it in like my CS degrees, right? Like Kali Linux, like just using it for general like homework and stuff.
Yeah.
And I recently installed actually installed Arch on the system. You installed.
No, you installed it. I fixed it.
Yes. On my system.
Because Cyan installed Arch and managed to install Arch on top of the USB drive that was the installer instead of onto the internal drive.
I am so sorry.
She like overwrote the installer with the install.
It's like I interact with terminal all the time, especially when I was like at big companies. But I never really understood like what bootloader does, and like yes, I can install things step by step, but I want to know what's going on inside.
Mario says Linux is not object oriented. Oh, Linux is absolutely object oriented. Linux is written in C, and it's object oriented. They just DIY objects in C.
See, I want to know that. And I feel like I am the right skill level to be your student. I can be asking a lot of questions. It's also been 2 years since I actually do some like important CS work. I've been focusing on other like areas that's not coding. I still very care about tech, but I've been away from like hands-on coding for like almost 2 years. So I feel like I'm a good student to ask you about things at the right level. So I want to work with you.
I think we were talking about this the other day. Like Cyan was like, why do I get so frustrated with Linux? And I think my conclusion was that like it's just computers are too hard, right? Like these days, too complicated. And so even if you learn specific content, like specific concepts, you can't tie them together easily until you have all this background knowledge. And when you don't have this background knowledge, it's so hard to get it. And then it's just really like you don't make connections between different topics and between different concepts. So that's why I want to try it with an older system. I was actually thinking, I want to try seeing if we can do it with Mandrake Linux. Ever heard of that?
What is that?
Mandrake Linux. That was actually the first Linux I ever used.
I heard of something like a...
It was
Montana?
It was KDE, if I remember correctly.
KDE.
I think it was KDE. So I want to... Because, you know, I use KDE. Still exists.
Yeah, I still use it.
It'll be KDE 2 or something like that. But yeah, I'm thinking of trying that one just because it's a little nutcashy for me. So if it serves the purpose for the class, we might use that.
Yeah, please don't let me feel it, Professor. Should I start calling you like Lina 博士?
そうかな?
Lina 博士、質問ある。これは何ですか? またボト?
まあ、リナ先生かな?
博士。
博士 fine, 博士.
I'll crown you with like a PhD. Yeah.
Yes. Anything else? Oh, another thing. Not just Linux. I'm pretty sure we're also at some point gonna cover like computer architecture.
Oh.
Make computers from scratch.
Oh.
You might even do a hand cam because I have a little.
I know.
Kit.
I know. We should do it.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to learn from me? Is there anything you want to learn from me? I can pull like an introduction to machine learning and then show you like the old like neural networks, CNNs and stuff.
Yeah, machine learning is actually cool. Like I know AI is very
controversial.
Not even controversial, just like very buzzword these days. But machine learning is actually cool. I want to learn machine learning, like in general. I've actually done a little bit, but I've never trained any ML system. I've done a little like re-engineering a inference system just to see how it worked like once. But I've never trained anything, so I would like to learn how that works. And the other thing I want to do is, and this is more personal, but for the IoT stuff, the home automation, right? I want to build a, like, Home Assistant supports this. You can use an LLM to drive a voice recognition system. So I want to set all of that up. And one of the interesting things is that you, in theory, can at least fine-tune like a small LLM for voice commands for home automation.
I actually thought it was Adreno.
I mean the actual thing.
Like a baby Adreno, and then you can like have his wake word and that thing.
But I wanna mess around with the underlying like LLM that you use, because you would probably use a fairly small model, and I know there are people that fine tune them for home automation. And so the idea is that like we should be able to customize it so that it like responds to the way we say things better, right? And what specific things we want to control. Because it's a very like it's very recent that Home Assistant supports LLMs with like local models and you know, all this like non-cloud automation. And there's a bunch of things in there, right? Like, for example, how does the LLM know what devices you have, what room you're in, what the state of everything is, so you can, you know, reply to your command and use the tool. And I mean, this is actually one of the major, like, uncontroversially useful and like make sense use cases for LLMs, right? Because an LLM is a large language model, and the job of an AI quote assistant, as in like home automation assistant, is to understand your language and then do something useful with it, right? It's not Gen AI. It's not generating anything. It might generate a response, but it's not trying to be a character, although you can do that.
It doesn't take people's job.
We can still tune you can still fine tune the, you know, the personality, which is kind of cool. But you know, when you keep it limited in scope to use a small model and like optimize it for home automation, I feel like that's like a very useful use case. It also means you can run things locally instead of in the cloud, which is very nice. It's, you can write an open source software, and
they're gonna be smarter than this, like the things they sell.
I mean, and the other thing is, honestly,
customizable.
Google Assistant has gone so bad. I don't know what's going on. Like, I swear, when I first set up the IoT stuff with Google Home as a front end, because like we have everything running locally, but then it's using Google as a front end, right? So we can have the voice assistant. I swear, it's gone so much worse. It used to actually be reliable and a little faster. Like, sometimes it'll be like, turn the lights off, and it's just like nothing happens. Really? How can you not understand turn the lights off?
I don't understand what's going on. Like, is it like a system upgrade we're missing? Is
I do not
microphone that's not working?
I don't
know. It doesn't feel right.
It's really weird.
You need to do
It's gotten worse. They've changed something in the back end. It's bad.
I feel to understand when there's a team of engineers working on those devices, and I mean, getting fired sometimes, like getting laid off sometimes, but they're still improving it. I know people that work in that team. It's not supposed to. It's not supposed to be worse, I think, unless there's gonna be strange regulations that stop them.
So yeah, I think that'll be something to learn.
You tell me what you want to know about. I used to teach machine learning in college. This don't remember everything about it. Not really interested in the math, but in general, it's fun. I can also teach you Kubernetes.
Oh yeah, I don't know that.
You wanna learn
I tried to learn it once, and it was like, I always try to understand everything when I learn something. It was too much. I was like, I give up.
Yeah, it's a little bit easier, but it turns out to be a lot of things.
I remember the first time I tried to learn it, and it was a long time ago. I got stuck on the network because I was like, for network, you can use all these different technologies, and they're kind of like separate from Kubernetes. And I was trying to understand like how like this is SDN stuff on top and layers, and I was just like, I give up. Also, and I had no IPv6 support, and I was like, oh, I really want IPv6.
I feel like everybody's using Kubernetes these days.
Yeah. You can deploy it locally pretty small, so.
Yeah. What else? Google Cloud, AWS. Good stuff on cloud.
That does not interest me as much.
No, why?
I have my local cloud. Oh, we could talk about that.
Local cloud?
The servers that run BT Social. And I run some personal stuff on that too. Well, you can actually talk about that on stream.
Yeah.
I have a little Proxmox cluster with 3 machines in a data center in a colo. And that actually runs the BT Social Mastodon, which is a Fediverse instance for VTubers that we run. And I recently moved it to that because I was running on a really old server. And it's like a proper cluster. It's like 3 machines, redundant. If one goes down, everything keeps working. Like the downtime is like less than 1 minute if it has to fail over. So yeah, I like my personal cloud stuff better.
No crazy bills.
Yeah, K3s is what I thought about. Yeah, this is little tiny Kubernetes called K3s.
Are you interested in algorithms?
A little, yeah.
Are you interested in learning the math of algorithm and data structures?
I had to learn some of that for college.
Yeah.
And then I kind of forgot.
Yeah, like,
I know
you don't really use it, right?
It's more like you relearn it when you need it, you know?
Yeah. And then you already like libraries.
But you know what I think is actually a bit more fun?
Yeah?
Compilers. Like writing a compiler.
Writing a compiler?
Yeah.
Who?
Like your own programming language.
Do you wanna write your own programming language?
Like a toy, as a toy.
I know people do that.
Like people do that for fun.
Yes, I know people do that for fun. I had a classmate that did that when he was a freshman. I don't know how to talk to him. You think you can teach me to write a...
I think so.
I almost wrote a compiler in Haskell. I can teach you some Haskell.
I don't know
because I failed that class twice.
So I know 0 Haskell. I just know it has monads and they scare me.
It's funny. It's like somehow like recursive and then beautiful. I should teach you Haskell if you're interested.
That sounds interesting.
No, I'm not too bad at it because I learned it twice. I Q dropped it, so it didn't affect my GPA. But I had to switch to an Indian teacher because she does it way better than the other one. I think the end of the class was to write a compiler in Haskell, like an easy compiler. It was not as hard as I thought. But I quit. Ima! Maybe I could do that. Do you wanna like if you were to write a language, what do you wanna what purpose is it if it's not for fun?
I don't know. I know one person that used Haskell for something I was working on, and then nobody else could touch the code, and there was
So the snap.
Oh, Mary says she used Erlang and Elixir. Yeah, Erlang is another one that I've heard about a lot, and I'm curious.
We should learn a new language together.
Yeah.
That's gonna be so fun. We should learn things we don't know together.
Yeah.
And what else? I think in my channel for tech content, I want to do hand cams with you, like the chips, the piano, the IoT stuff, and I want to do like cloud labs because I want to keep learning about cloud, and I want to know what's out there for like all the new technology, new tools, what they can do. This year has just been full of like updates to lots of tools, things getting smarter. I like really try to keep myself up to date because it really helps with my VTuber life. Like ChatGPT helps with my writing a lot. It's getting a lot better. Just to see how to best use them to increase my productivity. But if you were to write a language, what would you name it? Like a Yulilan?
Something like
Lina is gonna write a Yulilan. Like we write it together because we're Yuli, so we write a Yuli. Do you think such a thing exists? It can be our final project for the year. I don't know what role I can play for in writing a compiler. I don't have much.
There's a GPU shader language called Yuri.
Oh, beautiful. It sounds like the name the person that developed it would choose.
Targeting Vulkan and Spervy. Early stages. Of course, the Git is hosted on git.gay. Because of course. How old is this? This is all Rust. It's targeting Vulkan and Spear V. It's written in Rust. And the last commit was yesterday, so this is actually
very active. They might know you.
Who knows? Maybe. Who is this person? Do they follow me on Blue Sky? Actually, no. I'm gonna follow it just because.
Never thought there would be something Lina hasn't learned yet. I think I know things Lina hasn't learned.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, cause like I can't say I graduated recently, but like I took like weird classes. Like I took like bioinformatics. You wanna learn about like genetics?
Oh, actually, I have a friend. You know, I have a friend
I know
they haven't met yet. That was actually doing like professional work in that. We should talk with him.
We should.
Here in Japan, there's someone I know. He actually has a kind of well-known blog in this field.
Yeah. I also want y'all.
Wait, did we actually finish the last name story? Because Nyan is saying, why is my last name Hoshino? Like, we said the name came from you.
Yeah.
We didn't say why.
You gave me that name because I'm moving to Japan.
Yeah. And then I took it.
You took it.
Yes.
And I'm
because
like...
because we're getting married and we do things very untraditionally, so we're changing our names before we get married.
Yes.
Basically, yeah.
It's like a new start.
So are you Hoshino Cyan now?
I think so, yeah. In my socials, yes.
It's like Hoshino Shio in Japanese, right?
In Japanese,
yeah.
Every language I have a different name.
Yeah.
I think Cyan Nyan is very
please
cool.
Explain.
Like originally was Cyan Nyan, and it sounds like south in Chinese, so I'm Xiaoyan. And the south is Shio in Japanese, so that's how it all comes together. I'm sorry. Anyways, you married a cute little south.
She's the girl of many names.
Yeah.
Teacher with many names. My 5 minutes remaining for the new year in China.
Yeah. More ambitious goals for 2026. You're gonna get a silver plate too.
That would be nice. Or on the new channel.
Oh god, new channel.
Tokyo Hacker Girls.
Yeah.
Because we have a new channel. I should put the link on the.
Yeah, I need to redo the visuals for it. I think we're gonna. I think we're gonna put like the actual.
There's the new channel.
Like the next 101 and the like tag series.
Yeah, we're gonna put that here. We decided that's gonna be our first Tokyo Hacker Girls content.
So
because we've been talking about Tokyo Hacker Girls for a long time, but haven't actually put anything on the channel. Because the concept was always gonna be sort of educational tech content. So I think the next 101 is gonna be the first kind of formal. And we're gonna start with streams, but we also want to do actual video content. So I think streams are gonna be sort of the sketching things around, seeing what works with people kind of stuff. And then some topics will become like more professionally edited video content.
I'm really searching for like a video editor, and I was thinking like people translate your 3-hour long streams into like different languages. They're into text content. They're mostly into text content. We need to find the people that want to translate your content and then good at editing and make them our editor. And it's more likely to find here than in my channel, or maybe surprise me from my channel, right? So, yes, I'll do that. At least the streams. Gonna see how it unfolds. Yeah. Well, we spent time on like Tokyo Hacker Girls, like visuals, design. I'm back and thinking about like stories. I recently have so many like thoughts about like, are we supposed to have like a manga?
Oh yeah, I want to commission a manga someday.
Yeah, like a seisou manga, educational seisou manga, making I don't know, we're like a simple chibi meme, tech meme manga. I want to get more into drawing and draw some more.
Yeah, you're so good at drawing.
Not that good. I want to get better. I want to sell at Comic Kit.
Yeah.
I want to make our merch that's related to tech. Like we can put little like acrylic protectors things with us. You can put it on the top of your router to blast your router. And so I think those kind of merch are fun.
Yeah.
I want to draw them. Plan them. Exciting.
And the original songs. We should release an album next year.
This year
now. It's this year now.
I don't know if we can do an album, but at least the 1-2 songs should be fine.
Oh, I mean, if we try, I think we can. It depends on how crazy everything gets. Also, it depends on what you count as an album, because like 4 songs can be an album, but from how hardware runs to assembly to code to binary, that's actually kind of the plan.
So this.
I want to do this sort of, you know, like how to go from transistors to Palm.
10 seconds, baby.
This is
10 seconds.
9, 8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
8,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
1. Happy New Year!
Happy New
China!
Beijing!
Beijing!
Happy New Year! 皆さん Chinese 新年快乐新年快乐新年快乐
快乐新年快乐
新 is new
年
年 is year
I know
なんで
Because this is in Japan
快乐
That's different
It's happy 新年快乐 Oh my god It's time for 刘德华to melt 恭喜你发财恭喜你精彩不好的请
Hey, thank you everyone for the super chat 谢谢谢谢
不乖
谢谢谢 No, some Chinese words
谢谢 We should teach you more Chinese words like 恭喜发财
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 红包拿来
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 恭喜发财
恭喜发财
红包拿来
红包拿来
I don't know
what I just said. What did you just say?
We're begging for money. Oh my god. That's how Chinese kids beg for money in a spring festival. Ugly face of capitalism. 可以ね I'm gonna give you a big red pocket this year. Hey, I wanna do like a actual. Oh god, shit.
Again? Again?
ごめんねごめんなさい
Yeah, you can
Revive myself.
you can revive yourself.
That's a really red super chat. Let me go back.
Mario, stop throwing money at us. You're trying too hard.
Arigato. Where is me?
Where's you?
Where's me? Hi.
Maybe you should just be a maid.
Fine. I'll be a maid. New year, I'll be your maid. Just let me be a maid.
Hey, I'll enter.
No, just let me be a maid.
No. Hey,
You love me that much you can't even live without me? That's the point, baby. I hope I'm sensible enough for your channel. I've been trying really hard.
You're back.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
I shrinked. Thank you for your super chat. Very red this.
Very red this. ありがとう。谢谢。
ありがとう。ね。I'm not very sleepy. Surprisingly.
You're not very sleepy. It's 1 a.m.
So,
We said we were gonna end the stream now.
Ready?
Yeah. Originally.
Then why did you call me back?
call you back?
Yeah, why did you bring me back?
Oh, you gotta end the stream properly. Now it's gonna just disappear.
Fine. Did we say everything we wanted to say? That I put into the list of things we're gonna say?
Which I forgot to look at.
Oh yeah, it was in Chinese.
Ah.
Do you know why I tweet in Chinese?
Okay, she makes the most amazing, like, long-form tweets in Chinese. Like, she's like a pro writer in Chinese somehow. I don't know. Okay, look, I don't know how it sounds like in Chinese, but when the LLM translated, it sounds amazing in English. And like, it's just deep. Like,
look, I'm scared because like my Chinese isn't that good, and I think because I've been overseas so much, my grammar is in English while I was writing Chinese. So I feel pretty bad. People have to read my stuff.
Some of her stuff is on her blog. You can read it on her blog.
Oh yeah,
in English.
I'm writing long tweets because I want to convert them into blogs. Yeah. Yeah. No, not kidding. For real. Are you seriously running a command by your hand manually?
Oh, this
from time to time?
Oh, this is fixing the audio. A different audio problem that's happening recently. I don't know why.
I'm so sorry.
ごめんね。
大丈夫。そうですね。I'll try to stream more. I always say that. Like my goal is like I have so many goals I want. First I want to get certificates in like psychology and consulting because it's something I care about for a long time. And I want to learn. Second thing, I want to draw us. I want to draw memes of like tech memes, merch. I need to get the merch going. We need to do member streams too.
Yeah.
Like,
what are we gonna do with member streams?
Oh no! If they don't send us marshmallow, we have no idea what they want.
Yeah, we didn't even get marshmallows this time.
No?
What happened?
0 marshmallows.
Send more marshmallows.
I don't know. Let me see if it's real. Oh, 0 marshmallows.
Oh no.
It's okay.
My God.
I'm happy
we
with
didn't prepare the sharing anyway, so.
Like I'm gonna stream for fun this year, therefore I'm gonna stream more. I'm not gonna look at my numbers.
That's how you do it.
You told me that's how it should be, and I couldn't believe it until I accepted.
Yeah. Because if you focus on the numbers, you're not focusing on yourself. And the thing is, if you're gonna treat streaming like a job, then if it's something you like, you're gonna burn yourself out.
So there's
You need to actually like enjoy streaming, and that means you can't just be obsessing over the numbers.
I'm not really obsessed over the number. I'm interested in algorithm and trends. But then if I like devote myself to do that, like if I'm just being funny and me, is that really what I want to be? And is that the growth I want to do? Not really. So like I wanna this year I wanna be like the emotional support animal for everyone and just like exist for like 20 hours per week online doing things I like.
No, we're definitely gonna do some fun stuff.
Oh, we're gonna do fun stuff together. Yeah, and I figured out that. I figured out that if I go broke, you're gonna sponsor me.
I mean, we're kind of together,
so that's now. Tell me how to try. I'll try. Worst case, we go get referrals.
But also, I mean, I can't exactly live off of streaming. We can't exactly live off of streaming yet. Another New Year's resolution for me is sort of, you know, do more work that actually pays well for at least for a while. At least while we, you know, make more money from streams.
And what's the word? Monetize your channel. You don't have a business plan for a channel, right? It's always just work stream. I think there are opportunities for us to provide like more content, more service, and then you know get earnings.
And probably also sponsorships. I want to focus on sponsorships for stuff that like we really like, you know, not just random stuff, but that is relevant.
And I feel like people want to donate to you, they just don't know the link and don't know the things.
Yeah. Like I need to do a revamp of my stream design, and it's gonna have all that stuff up front.
So we have a lot of work to do. We're very careful about sponsorship. Don't worry, because like I'm focusing on like the social keeping safe. I'm going to like be skeptical of any sponsor kind of mode, and Lina is focusing on I'm going to reverse engineer this person to see if they're good people or bad people. So we're very safe in that sense. Just a little broke, not very broke. Not very broke. Cyan Chinese are bad. I'm so sorry.
What?
My Chinese is pretty rusty, and it doesn't sound like it, but I do talk to Lina in English, right? And I only hang out with pretty much just her. So I don't actually speak Chinese a lot now. Not even voice calls, because I don't do those with my family anymore. So I don't know. But I like writing in Chinese.
I can't judge the quality of her Chinese, but at least what she writes about and how she writes about it is just amazing.
I wanna eventually read a book, because so many people write about like biography and how they like recover from their trauma and stuff. The really interesting thing is like I have a love-hate relationship with coding, and you know that. And we've been spending 2 years trying to figure out what does coding mean to me and how am I actually interested in it or not. And I think that's time well spent and some experience to share with everybody. Yes. I write to share, and I want you to write more. I think people really love your blog. Hi, Hot. Happy New Year.
I can write about technical stuff at least. So
yeah, write more blogs. Write about the things you stream. Update the progress. Yeah. People really love your blog.
We should actually.
We have a blog.
We have a blog that we don't update. We have a blog that we should actually update. And we need to put more of the commissions and fan art on there.
Oh yeah, we have like so many. I have like 800 commission art files.
That's crazy.
In one of the platform I commissioned. That's that. I need to organize our files so desperately.
That's why I have the NAS. I want you to like put everything on there and actually organize.
好きじゃない。わからない。
Hi.
Yo, I wanna have a hackathon at the end of the year. Not hackathon, CTF.
Yeah, we can do CTF. Like run one or participate in one?
Run one. We get volunteers.
I think we can do that.
Yeah. Only members can do this, so we limit the number of people. They don't DDoS our system.
No, but if it's I think Jeopardy style CTF is more. That's where you don't fight against each other. You just like solve puzzles, right?
Yeah, like I win the code.
Yeah, and those don't need a lot of resources, so it's not that hard to run. You just have to come up with good challenges.
So, oh, cool. So my subscription. Hi, people. This is
I think some of his like
beautiful wife.
emails coming in. Yeah.
My actual life. She's beautiful. Wait, to be wife. Please subscribe to her and pay her.
Thank you
by
so
selling you like a
much.
product. My Asian trauma is catching up on me. I love you. Last thing I want to say. I'm not speaking too much.
No, you're not.
I'm not.
You're good.
I'm sure.
You're good.
Love you. We feel like Tokyo Hacker Girls is gonna be like a college coding club. That we have like events. Like we need to mobilize our Discord.
Oh yeah. We need to like get a little more
and get events and
activity.
like participating in events together, meeting friends, getting referrals. All that. I just
thank you so much, Marcin, for the 10 subs. Thank you so much for the gift.
We also need like very specific requests to like what kind of content you wanna see.
Oh yeah, because if you have ideas, please suggest them. Especially on the Discord. If you go to
there's like a content idea channel, right?
Where am I?
We have a Discord. We should always ping it. Like how we grow our team is like.
We should honestly. I want to have like on the video. I want to have like a carousel of like all the short links.
Yeah.
And just have everything there because they're so easy to type, and you just have a carousel of them like going on forever. So I need to do like a whole new stream UI and put
We
things up
need
there.
to have a website together. You can give it to me because I feel like I'm half of a web person. Yeah.
Yeah.
We should be able to run a college club, right?
I think we should be able to.
Nah. Community growing. Feel like I need a team. Need to talk to people. Also, I personally like to see DMs. Do you like DMs? Like Twitter or like Blue Sky?
I don't have it. I haven't closed on Twitter because there's too much spam and stuff.
So
But on
there's,
I have it open on Blue Sky. And Mastodon. Yeah, like if it's I think that the difficult ones is when someone's like, how do I get started with like reverse engineering? It's always like such an open-ended question that is so hard to come up with. That's why I want to produce content for that, because it helps everyone.
Yeah, I'm so happy to be a reverse engineering student.
But no, like I do appreciate DMs if there's something I can help with, or like you know, if you have suggestions for something to do, or I just want to say hi, that's always nice. So
like what do you think about us? Do we help you? How can we improve? What happened in your life? Do you think we can help with? Like general advice. It's like people will join into our channels because we do cool tech stuff. And we have like talents in like art, singing, lots of things. But we value ourselves as good person.
まあそうですね。そうですね。
We're a good person.
Science is actually really good at like giving people life advice.
I don't. That sounds so wrong because I'm not supposed to give people life advice.
I think you're the
I don't have the experience.
You're actually good though.
Am I? I don't
You
know. You
are.
are.
You help a lot of people.
You
Come on.
encourage a lot of people too.
No, you too.
Like what matters to us is like our people. Like I said today, I care about individual people more than like a group of people or the number of subscribers. So don't be afraid to reach out to us, and it means a lot if we can bring some change to your life.
I should use this.
Lina as a teacher and Cyan as a student. As long as you're okay with me being dumb, cause like
You're not dumb.
Okay, I'm not dumb, but I speedrun my college degrees, so I'm not very solid on some simple concepts.
That's not being dumb.
I'm
That's
gonna
just not
put, like,
having
a-
the basics.
Dumb like note on my head and just be
Like a
like,
sticky note.
yeah, and just gonna be like gula and then be like, Lina 博士, how does the GPU work?
Oh, we should do that series. I do want to do that. Remember, we were supposed to do a stream about that, and we never did it.
So that's
Like, I want to do how a GPU works, like in general, like, how 3D rendering works on GPUs, and I want to do it by building like a GPU from scratch in Python.
Hi. That was our plan for my birthday.
Yeah. It's not actually that hard, but it probably should be a few streams to do it.
I asked
Really
Lina,
big.
is it kind of do we have enough time to build it on birthday? She's like, yeah, bring your 3D models. I was like, what? I'm gonna build a GPU on my birthday with Python? Is she drunk?
It's not actually that hard. Is that gonna be part of member stream? I mean, I don't think we're gonna do educational content as member streams because the whole point is, you know, educating as many people as possible. But I think it's more likely that we're gonna do either, you know, work in progress or experiments or maybe some like chit chat member streams so we can talk with like people more closely and like get ideas and stuff. I think that's the kind of stuff as the member streams, right?
Oh. Like, I feel like member streams should be the ones that gets us like closer to the audience, the
Yeah.
ones that choose to be in the community and see us as human.
Yes. I think that's also a big one with like VTubers and educators and stuff, especially VTubers that like there are definitely VTubers that just put on a mask and like do a bit as a character, and like it's, you know, it's acting and all that.
Which
like,
can be really therapeutic.
Oh yeah, no, and it's totally cool. Like there is nothing wrong with that. Like it's really cool when people can just be someone completely different and.
おはさやん、元気ですか皆さん。今日は一日の楽しみの時間。Something like that.
Yeah, but like we are actually pretty ourselves when we're on stream, right?
I guess.
So, and I want people to realize that. I mean, the wedding is part of that too. Like, we are just actually gonna have a wedding. So, yeah. Like, we're human. We are, in fact,
we're YouTubers.
YouTubers
with anime faces.
And we're also cat girls. But you can, it somehow can be both at the same time.
I think so. I thought Lina, she should use the Chibi model for coding streams because the more simplistic of a design she looks, the more contrast between the things she does, and the more people be like, "What the heck is going on there?"
She just like just wants me to shock people.
Our audience are quite different than
but actually,
VTuber audience.
I should say something though, because this is why I wanted to do that collab with Cyan and why I really look up to Cyan.
Eh?
Because she is actually entertaining, actually really like friendly and outgoing and like enjoyable to watch. But she's herself. Because there's people who put on a character and it's all pretty fake. And there's people who don't, but also it's kind of boring. And it's the people in between, you know, the people who don't put on a mask, or at least don't completely fake a mask, right? But also are really good, like, entertainers and themselves really good characters. To like reach people and touch people and get people interested. I love people like that, and Cyan is one of those.
Thank you.
So. Hey Gustavo, welcome to Team Nina! Thank you so much for joining!
Yeah. So when is the next stream?
Well, if I... wait, what date is this weekend? Yeah, probably a Sunday. I've been doing that whole Sunday vibe, right? So, on Sunday the 4th?
My stream. I told Lina I want to stream every day starting January 1st.
I told you that now you're not gonna do that.
I want to try.
We can try things like morning streams and stuff, but
no,
like,
not morning stream.
or something.
You need a good morning routine. I need to be with you.
Yeah. But I think if you start with the I want to stream every day kind of thing, it's like you're gonna burn yourself out so quick. But we should ramp up to streaming more often though, like at least a couple times per week. So
I need to get my mic.
Yeah.
For my
upstairs,
room.
yeah.
For my room that's hidden in the curtains. I might stream here tomorrow.
Wait, didn't we have something tomorrow?
Something tomorrow?
Oh, cleaning, right?
Yes, we do have cleaning.
Fine.
How about making cleaning a part of my stream?
Yeah.
I was thinking I should do like monthly meal planning, monthly medicine refill, monthly.
all the like house stuff. We should do a cleaning stream though. That's always like room cleaning, like with a mic or something.
Yeah, I did that. It was fun.
Yeah.
We have the like mic.
The wireless thing.
We should
right?
get another
we
one
use
for
it.
you.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stream my life to the public so people can know how much I eat every day and how much I clean every day. Alright, I think it's time to sleep.
Yeah, how bad is the CO2 here? I actually turned off the alert because I was like, today we're sleeping anyway. It doesn't matter.
Oh my god, we should.
Oh yes, 1,800.
We should do tech ASMR so bad.
Oh yeah,
so bad.
I've been saying that I want to do like an ASMR RFC.
We're gonna do like extremely stupid, ridiculous, funny tech content just to troll people.
It's not trolling. It's fun.
Because we have like actual professional ASMR stuff.
I really should do. Like,
please. As a manager, I will chase after you to make it. Because I feel like I can listen to that to sleep when I have insomnia.
I really should do that.
Please.
Like, transmission control protocol. RFC 9293. This document specifies a transmission control protocol. Stuff like that.
I'm gonna say right now. It's still a lot of fun soon.
You should. Cyan's actually really good at her ASMR. She actually put me to sleep once with CS papers. And that was like before we were dating. Like, she did a public stream, and I was just like, I'm just gonna try, because I've never listened to ASMR content before, and I was just like, okay, this is actually like so relaxing. Was it 49? Oh, that one. Yeah, of course it's that one.
I was really crazy when I was young.
Young? This memo describes an experimental method for the encapsulation of IP datagrams in avian carriers.
I understand every single word, but when they are together, I don't really. Encapsulation of IP datagram in avian. Okay, I don't know.
Do you see what this is talking about?
Yes, I know. Beautiful.
So you got that.
Akemashite. Soba?
So this naming to eat soba. Let's eat some soba before we call it the day.
Okay.
Because they're supposed to eat soba for the new year in Japan.
Yeah, she said we have to eat soba.
Yeah. I'm gonna get some hot water.
Hot water?
Make this instant soba. Sorry.
Instant soba?
I'm sorry.
何それ? Okay, chat. What kind of secret do you wanna know about Lina? I can tell about
God, what
it.
are you doing?
When she's gone. Do you wanna know how many hours she sleeps? Chat. Any interest? I actually slept with her for 2 years, so I know her sleep patterns and her dreams. Dark secret? Dark secret かな? What's her dark secret? She likes cheese. A lot of different cheese. She sleeps. She does. She sleeps really well with me. I think she used to sleep less. She used to do like all-nighters when she got focused. But ever since being with me, we have like a really regular sleep schedule. Yeah? What kind of cheese? I think she likes mozzarella. She also snacks on cheese sticks. How many fumos she really likes? I actually don't know because I added to the collection with all the Hollow Life fumos. I just took Ina out and also Maning Senpai. Like I every time I go somewhere, I'm like, I need to go out with friends. So I just took one of her fumo and be like, this is gonna be the friend I'm gonna take him with me. In a coffee or tea person, she is jasmine tea person and coffee person. When she's in work mode, she consumes like 3 bottles of coffee. But when she streams, she drinks this kind of like jasmine tea, 1000 milliliter, specific type. You need one fumo. We have fumos. We actually have fumos. We custom made. We hire someone to custom make our fumos. We have around 10 of them each. But it's baby size, it's hand size, it's very cute. I was thinking about mass producing them, but it's also handmade. Every single one is handmade. I always think about like packing all our merch, unofficial merch, and then just like when it accumulates into like a giant box, store it at our friends. Do we have air humidifier at home? Air humidifier? Would you have a humidifier in our bedroom? Why? Because it's very dry here. Winter is pretty dry here. Make your custom fumo. You can commission someone to draw the custom design for your fumo. And send it to someone that makes fumo. There are also kits you can buy to make it yourself. Because you can just stick the ice on and color it with your pen. Because it's not colored. You just color it with like a colored pen. And then basically just cutting the materials and sticking them together. It's not very hard. What's fumo? Fumo, it's... What is fumo, minasan? I actually don't know what is fumo. It's a palm-sized anime girl sits on your... Doesn't have to be a girl. Google it. Google it. Lina Fumo and Cyan Fumo. I don't know I can call them a fumo because they're so small. They're more like a kitchen. But it's like cotton. Like a anime pillow, but it's shaped into the character. It's like a figurine, but made with cotton. Like a plushie. Can you explain to them what is fumo?
Like plushies.
Plushies?
Yeah.
What's anime fumos?
Just plushies, like anime plushies. Oh, my phone is ringing again. Okay. Time for it. Okay, so Fumo is actually a brand, right? That originally made Toho, like actually like indie plushies, like not a big company or anything. And and it just like people will call any kind of chibi plushie of around that size is like 20 centimeters tall or so. They'll call it like a Fumo. It's kind of like become a generic thing.
Did I post it in Discord?
The brand that makes Toho like plushies is called like the series is Fumo Fumo. That's where it comes from. That like group, or I don't know if it's a company, but that like originally it was like indie, right? And that like that's where the name Fumo comes from. Even though the concept existed for a long time. And the Fumos have like a particular look with the eyes and stuff. And then like it has become the generic name for this kind of plushie.
Kawaii na.
The problem with the Toho ones is that like they only make them in very limited runs. So if you don't buy them when they are like being made, you're basically always buying resellers, and those are extremely expensive. Alright, let's make some soba.
Aren't you supposed to drain the water?
No, not really.
Yeah, what's the dry thing on top?
Just duck broth apparently.
Duck? Duck.
So this is 3 minutes, so you can count 3 minutes ish.
Apparently, chat is very surprised that you actually sleep.
I actually sleep?
Yeah.
What? How?
They asked me about your dark secret.
Yeah.
And then one of the question was, do you sleep? I said, you sleep very well with me. They're like, do you
Yeah.
actually sleep?
Yeah.
I think you don't.
What do you mean I don't sleep? Of course I sleep.
How many hours?
Normal? I mean, I actually sleep usually 7-8 hours most nights.
Oh, even before meeting me?
Usually, yeah.
Ooh.
I used to sleep less. But And Cyan used to have trouble sleeping.
そうですね。
And does she meant be? It turns out
そうですね。
that being in the same bed as Lina is like the best sleeping aid for Cyan.
Yeah, like I just smell your chest and then fall asleep. Smells so good.
Started off with one person sewing Toho plushies. I don't know if it was one person. Like, I don't actually know how they make them. I know the oldest Fumos still look pretty pro, so I don't know if that was really handmade. But, like, it's definitely a small operation. And, yeah, it started out pretty small.
So how much is your Fumo army worth? Estimate.
I don't know because I don't know what they're worth in terms of secondhand. I mean, they're all outside of the bag, so they're not sealed in bag. But I mean, some of them I bought new, like straight from the source, right? And those are usually like, honestly, 30-40 bucks depending on which one.
Okay.
But when you have to get like an old one, it's like it needs to be over 100. But most of them I got new though. I wasn't trying to complete the collection. So, yeah.
So, if we're actually broke, what's the most logical thing to sell in this house?
Probably the max. Probably the max. The ones that we used for testing that you used.
そうですね。
Hi. Let's see. Is it playing yet? Oh yeah. It should be good. Whoa! I'm hitting the microphone. All right. Here you go.
ありがとう。Go ahead, go ahead. Oh my god, what if is this rude in Japanese?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna play with my go ahead.
If you can use a cup holder as an idea.
What's the tradition? I never heard of soba in New Year.
You just eat soba.
Celebrate?
New Year's. I don't remember if it's before New like the midnight or not. But anyway, we're gonna eat it now. Now your Spatu Linux work with wine a proton thing. I mean, Spatu already works with Proton, but you would have to run OBS under Proton. So the thing with, I mean, the thing I'm working on with native OBS is going to be done in probably a few weeks. It's not going to be long. It's not. There's not much more left.
It's too hot.
Sorry.
美味しい。
美味しいでしょ？
美味しい。はい、終わりました。
Hi, you're done? No, eat a little more.
I'll eat it later, like off stream.
Why? No. ちょっとだけ。美味しいよ。
本当? It looks like my code. You know, Asian spaghetti.
Spaghetti code.
My code is soba. Dark themed.
OBS have to run under wine for that to work. No, OBS has to run under wine for it to work today. And then what I'm working on is so you don't have to run OBS under wine.
It burned my lips.
Spout the technology already works under Proton, so you can run OBS under Proton and use Spout too. What I'm working on is so that you can run OBS outside of Proton and receive Spout too. So cool.
Yeah. The ramen code will be quick to write that. Yes. Then what is spicy chicken ramen called?
Spicy chicken ramen called?
Yeah, that's gonna bring your mus.
Huh?
Udon code is the one that doesn't use brain, cause it's smooth, just like my brain.
What? Your brain's not smooth. What are you talking about?
Sometimes.
No.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Let's see.
Fantasy.
I wanna stream tomorrow. Don't know what. Gonna stream.
Are you gonna stream tomorrow?
Huh?
Are you gonna stream tomorrow?
New Year resolutions.
Oh.
Or I don't know.
I
Nah.
think it just crashed my stream control.
Uh-oh. I'm too powerful for a virus. How about I become a virus? That might fit my personality better. 大丈夫?
Yeah, I think it just kind of crashed my stream control.
Is it too much?
Let's try to not break everything.
Where am I streaming tomorrow? Probably my channel. I'll try.
And of course now this is...
Music died.
Oh yeah, I know. Because I had to restart. This is why we need Neko Deck, because that way I don't have to break everything when I restart my stream control. I can do multiple apps. Anyway, I was gonna say, are you gonna stream tomorrow? I was trying to get sparkly eyes and I messed everything up. Because this is a really jank setup that I want to replace with something maintainable really soon now, but we haven't done Deco Deck, so I can't. So let's do Neko Deck soon. Hi. Okay. Da! Thank you, everyone!
Arigato!
Ooh, okay. I think it's time to get some sleep. Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Good. All right. Thank you, Martin. Thank you so much for the super chat again. All right. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow the one or the two. Wait, you're streaming on the first, so like.
I want to stream
today.
I want to see how many consecutive days I can stream.
Scary.
Haha.
Fine. All right. Thank you, everyone.
Bye bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.